I'm Helen Mandy and I live in Bedminster. I've lived here for 50 years, brought up 4 of my children in this house, and my garden has evolved from chickens, lambs, and now I've landscaped it for the wildlife. I think it's as my children grew up, I needed something else to do, and with the size of the garden, I thought, right, let's give this a go. I turfed it all to begin with, and I'm like, no, it's too blank. It's not, nothing really wants a turf. So then I started taking cuttings and collecting seeds and propagating stuff. And then I've just grown over the past 5 or 6 years to what it is now, and it's beautiful. I've got 2 wildlife ponds in my garden. I've got nest boxes which are full up. I've got nests in the trees. I've got bug hotels. I've got wood piles. I keep the grass long. There's a lot of floral stuff with, for the bees, butterflies, dragonflies, newts, frogs, hedgehogs, and a mass of birds. I entered the garden competition because I wanted to inspire and encourage other people to be free with their gardens and not just concrete it over, experiment, have a go, enjoy it. My top tips would be to enjoy what you do, just keep going at it. If there's, a plant that you really like, do a lot with it. You've got seeds, you can break it into pieces. Just enjoy it. Just enjoy the fresh air, the birds singing, and everything that's flying around your head. I felt honoured when I won a prize for the competition because it felt that the work that I put into it was appreciated. I recognised that, it's not just a bit of garden that nobody ever sees. And like I said, I like to inspire everyone else that thinks they can't do it, would just do it. I was that person once, and I feel like I've achieved everything I need to.
I spent the majority of my voucher on this beautiful yellow rocket laburnum. It's a young tree at the moment, but when it flowers, it's bright yellow and it's good for pollinators, it's good for shade, and the birds love it.
I would recommend your competition to others. It's good fun. It's a family thing. It can be a solitary thing. It can be family, friends, everyone involved in it, and it's, everyone encourages each other to do something different ideas. And I think with a competition like this, it's good.